Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp goals for OKR-based project management, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to configure your goals. Click on the Goals option in the left sidebar. If this is your first time using ClickUp goals, you may need to enable this feature. Once you're in the Goals section, click on the New Goal button. A pop-up will appear prompting you to enter your goal details. Begin by giving your goal a clear and concise name. Next, set a description to provide more context about the goal. Choose the goal type, ensuring it aligns with your objectives. For OKR-based project management, select quarterly or annual as the timeframe. Assign the goal to relevant teams or individuals to foster accountability. Next, set key results for your goal. Key results should be measurable and indicate how you will track progress. Click on the Add Key Result button to begin entering them. For each key result, include a specific metric or outcome. Ensure that your key results are ambitious yet achievable. Once you've added all key results, click Save to create the goal. You will return to the main Goals dashboard, where your new goal is now visible. To track progress, click on your newly created goal. Use the progress bars to visually monitor advancement towards key results. Encourage team members to regularly update the status of each key result. Consider setting weekly or bi-weekly check-ins to review progress. Adjust key results as necessary based on team feedback or changing priorities. Make it a habit to reflect on completed goals for future planning. Regularly revisit and update your goals to ensure they remain relevant. Utilizing ClickUp goals for OKR-based project management can enhance focus and alignment. Remember that collaboration is key to successfully achieving your objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.